Click on Company Profile. Update your company's profile with relevant information. You could upload a high-resolution company logo here. You could add the representative information by clicking here. And upload a high-resolution photograph of attendee. On the right side, here you see the representative information. You could edit it if required. To learn about attending buyers, click on Know Your Buyers. Here the information of the attending buying companies and the attendee information is listed. You can see the buying companies who have expressed an interest to meet you here. You could search for a buying company or for attendee or for companies with any product requirement. You can also filter buyer information according to your requirement after entering. After filtration, you can see details in the table. You could reset filter to do any number of filter search. To schedule your meetings, go to Homepage and click on Schedule My Meetings. All buyer company name, profile attendee names are listed. You can also see their interest to meet you during the event here. If you are interested in meeting the buyer, click on the checkbox to express interest. You could sort the list alphabetically. You could select any number of buyers to express interest. After selecting the buyers you wanted to meet, click on Save and proceed to start booking. If you have more than one table, you need to do the slot booking for all the tables. We are showing how slot can be blocked for the table 1. Select the buyer you want to meet in the first slot of your first table, click on Book. The status of the meeting is now confirmed. If you want to replan your schedule, click Reset Ranking and select the buyers as per your choice. Complete all your table schedules. Once you select the buyers for all the slots that you have opted for all tables, click on Confirm My Schedule. This cannot be reset, so be sure before you confirmed. You can now view your complete personalized meeting agenda. You could view this agenda anytime from here. You can print a copy of the agenda as well. You can view the agenda for each table as well. Make sure you carry your personalized agenda to the event before the meeting. You can now view the complete event agenda here as well. Make sure you register your feedback for the meetings here. You can log in and log out anytime to view and review the details.
For more information, feel free to reach out to IDE Point of Contact or call on 441235330073. You could also write to info@global.com. Thank you for watching this tutorial video. All the best for the event and your business meetings.